Hello, this is Matt Champ, and I just wanted to show you a quick video here on this new feature that Google's coming out with, which is called Web Stories in WordPress. So if you take a look here, this is their beta site, and you can actually put these stories together and have them on your WordPress site. So I'm just kind of scrolling through here, just see what it is. With Stories for WordPress, you're bringing first-class web story support to WordPress. This is, I guess this is what you see is what you get. It's kind of interesting how you can add these different features here. Let's see how this plays out. I'm not too sure where you're getting the photos from. And oh, maybe they have some stock photos you can use. So I guess this is right on your site that you're able to do this. I'm gonna have to try this out and see how it goes. But as you move forward here, you know, they have some different expressive templates here. I don't know if those are, is that clickable? Nope, not clickable. So getting started. Welcome. Starting a new tool to be daunting, so we created a web story naturally with some tips to help you get started. We can't wait to see your stories. And you go down the rest of this is just a one-page place for Google. So I just wanted to give you this quick heads up here for this getting stories in WordPress. See you next time.